Yes, greetings to you all and welcome to this new tutorial by Kato James Kalemba. In this tutorial, we are going to see how we can extract information or text from an image or a photo. And without further ado, let's get started. These are the images we are going to use. These are the images. Basically, I got some questions from internet. They are object questions. So the objective questions. So we are going to see how we can extract information from them using ChatGPT, and we tell it to give us answers. So this method is based in a way that you don't have to type. You don't have to type. You just have to upload an image and you tell it maybe to give you answers. So if at all you are a scholar, or you can extract information, you can upload an image and then you tell it to extract all information. You just copy it and paste it anywhere you want to paste. So it saves you time imagine typing all that information. So now what we are going to do to upload an image, you come here where you see this word attach files. You click here, then you say upload from computer. If at all it is on your local machine, if it is on Google Drive, then you can click here. But ours is on our local machine. So I'm going to click here and navigate to where my images are. So they are here. So I'm going to click to select it and open. So it's going to load. Then I can come here and say extract information from the above a photo and tell me the correct answer, or tell me the answer, because the answer can't be incorrect. So I'm going to say tell me the answer. Then after I'll submit and wait for the response. So as you can see, it is what should a strong password contain. And now here it is telling us that the image presents a question about what a strong password could contain. The answer or options are numbers, capital, and then it tells me that correct answer is punctuation, capital letters, lowercase letters, and spaces. So if we go to the real questions, let's navigate where that question is. What is the okay? Oh, where is okay? Okay. What should a strong password contain? Here they are saying us correct answer is punctuation. Exactly what ChatGPT has told us here. So you can see, just upload the image, then it will give you the answer. So if you want to, okay, you can even select all of them at once. You can navigate where they are and you press Ctrl A to select all of them, and then you open. Oh, it is saying me it's unable to upload image too, but whatever, we can just use this one. We can say extract text from the above images and tell me the answer. So let's see what we are getting. You see, it's saying, what should a strong password contain? And it has given the answer. Then question 2, what is the minimum number of characters that a strong password should have? And it's telling me 16. So if I go here, what is the minimum number of characters that a strong password should have? And the correct answer is 17. So you guys can see how ChatGPT can make your work easier. So guys, that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.